All right, so here let's look at another example of that fundamental counting principle that we had in our intro video. This one's going to be trickier. You know, we kind of in the intro started out basic, and I want to show you guys how this can get tricky and we think through some different things. So our example is a voicemail system. A voicemail system password is one letter followed by a 3-digit number less than 600. How many different voicemail passwords are possible? So I'm going to think about what is making up the voicemail password. We have a letter followed by a 3-digit number. So I know that these have to be numbers. That is less than 600. So that's the key. That's honestly the part that makes this tricky, is a 3-digit number less than 600. So numbers less than 600 will go all the way up to 599. So we are limited in what we can put in our number spots a little bit, and we'll talk about that. But first, let's start with the easy one. Our first part of our password consists of a letter. So how many possible letters are there? There are 26. So we've got 26 possibilities for that first spot. Now for this 3-digit number, like we said, this has to be 599 or less. So this means that what goes in this spot can't be bigger than a 5. So what digits are not bigger than 5? We have a 1, a 0, a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, and a 5. All of those are 5 or under. So how many of those did we just write out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you only have 6 possibilities for that first number because, again, it's 599. We can't go above the 5. Now, after we fill in that first number, does it matter what we put here? Anything 0 through 9. And by the way, 0 through 9 is 10 possible numbers. Those are your single digits. So it doesn't matter what goes after that. So in this second digit, we've got 10 possibilities. That could be a 0 through a 9. And then this last spot, that could be a 0 through a 9. It was just this one right here, this first digit, that couldn't go above a 5. Otherwise, we would have gotten 600 or more. So the fundamental counting principle says just multiply those together. So 26 times 6 times 10 times 10. We would definitely grab our calculator on that and get 15,600 different passwords, voicemail passwords.